Okay, now we're gonna do a cold start of the Honda Acty. Okay, when you're ready, do a cold start. Bus fires right on up. Go ahead and turn on the headlights. Turn on the bright lights. Turn on the blinkers. Honk the horn. Honk the horn. Honk the horn. No, the horn. There you go. Technical difficulties. Rev it up just a little bit so they can hear it. It runs nice and smooth. Here, let me open up this door here so they can see here. Has a back seat here. There are no seat belts back over here in the back, but the seats do let down. They do fold down. So all of this is all flat. It does have rear windows that you can roll up and down as well on each side. AC blows nice and cold.
Yes.
Awesome. Great van. You know what? Why don't you take off in it for just a second?
Huh?
So why don't you go ahead and drive it forward?
Oh wait, it's already on, right? Duh. Okay. So.
And get off of the parking brake. No, get off the parking brake. There you go.